Dr. Hazem, thank you very much for participating in our conference. Please introduce yourself to everyone.
Okay, Dr. Hazem Hassan from Kuwait, and we are working as international recruitment office. We recruit students to study worldwide, and it's a great chance to be here in NET24 because it opens gates to Eastern European countries like Poland, Slovenia, and of course other countries like Egypt. That chance is incredible and we like it very much. It's gonna add more and more to our market and to our students, of course.
Perfect. If you can tell me a little bit more, how did you get involved in this international educational market?
It was really a long story. It began since I began to search for a course for me, myself in the year 2011. And during that time I was seeking a course in Saudi Arabia, in the Middle East. And the surprise was that when I searched the same course, which was called CELTA, it was half of the price in Brighton in the United Kingdom. While thinking on that, I began to find that many students in the Middle East might be interested in such a chance to study outside, and I began to contact other schools and other universities to see how to recruit students. I began first of all to recruit students to study English language in the United Kingdom. After that we began with vocational programs and academic programs. Step by step the circle began to increase, and it wasn't easy, but it was an incredible story. I like it so much, really.
Perfect.
Yes.
I wanted to ask, what do you think is the most important thing for collaboration between educators and agencies, and how our conferences can help?
Trusting is the most important thing, because when we meet in an expo like yours, we are able to see each other face to face. It's not like sending an email or receiving an email. Sometimes it's not enough, or like that we think there is a kind of self-confidence dealing with that school or other schools. That self-confidence is like a plant that grows with the working, grows with the recruiting more and more students. And here we all want to say your expo, NET24, and other expos help us to increase the way of the educational process. This is what I want to say. It improved the educational process, not only in Egypt, not only in the Middle East, but worldwide.
Perfect. Dr. Hazem, thank you very much once again.
You are welcome. Thank you so much.